Welcome to the video tutorial on our newly standardized and upgraded conference room technology featuring Logitech equipment. From the homepage, you are able to join Zoom, Teams, Google, and WebEx meetings. You can also share content wirelessly. When you walk into the room, the touch panel will automatically wake up for quick access. Select New Meeting to create a new Zoom meeting. You can invite participants or share your new Zoom link within the meeting menu. If you already have a Zoom meeting ID, select Join. Then enter your meeting ID. If your meeting has a password, you will be prompted to enter it. Once in the meeting, you will have several options, settings, and controls to choose from. Many of these are the standard meeting options, the same that are available on your personal computer. When you select Record, you will be prompted to enter the email address you want the recording sent to. Joining other meeting types is just as easy. Simply select any of the icons to join your preferred virtual meeting platform. Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, and WebEx are currently available. To share content wirelessly, select Share Content. There is also a wired connection available in the room, which will automatically display when connected. Then utilize the Zoom app on your laptop or personal device to share your screen. If you do not have the Zoom app available on your device, you can use your web browser. Interested in getting this technology in your meeting space? We can provide consultations, technology options, and coordinate installations for your meeting space. Connect with us to get started today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.